Today we're talking connectors. Connectors are the lifeline of almost every diagram type there is. Connectors are what bring diagrams together by linking shapes and elements to illustrate relationships and workflows clearly. Connectors help you visualize processes, flows, and hierarchies, making your diagrams more meaningful and easier to understand. Let's look at the flowchart that we've been working on. The most common used connectors is called a floating connector. It's the default connector when you add any new shape via the shape picker or when you drag and drop a shape from the shape library onto the blue arrows. You'll use floating connectors for most of your diagramming needs because floating connectors offer the highest grade of flexibility as they move alongside the edge when moving a shape or a set of shapes. To use this, just drag one shape to the destination shape and release once you see the blue highlight. Now we also have the fixed connector, which will work well for specific scenarios. Fixed connectors are useful for cases where you need precise control over connection points, such as a technical diagram, circuit diagrams, or when depicting defined entry or exit points in a process. With this type of connector, it's the start and end point of the connector that always stays connected to the specific location around the shape's edge, ensuring that your connection remains consistent even if you move around the shape. To use this, drag from one shape to another and drop once you see the green highlight. Here are some shortcut tips to make working with connectors even smoother. To control exactly where connectors attach to shapes, connection points are a helpful option. Fixed connection points stay in one position on a shape, ensuring connector snap to specific points rather than following the default floating behavior. You can add and customize these points to achieve a clean and organized layout in more complex diagrams. Selecting and grabbing the middle handle of any of the smaller waypoints on the connector line allows you to customize its route without disconnecting it from the shapes. This helps you design clear and precise connection points while preserving connections. Using fixed and floating connectors allows you greater customization options in drawio, giving you the flexibility to control diagrams precisely in the way you want. In our next Drawio Academy video, we'll explore text and fonts, so I'll see you there.